Jack Horner, CPL out of Colac, working up in Johanna, which is just south of Lavers Hill in the Otways, undertaking a re-conductor project for about 3.5 kilometres of single-phase steel conductor. Approximately 52 customers downstream of here who have experienced some extended outages due to some conductor failures in the past. We've got about 14 crew on site today. Currently behind us, we've got the conductor through. It's tensioned up to sag. Now all the crew in the background are starting to tie in and cut in the strains. Recently we've been supplied with a drone into the depot. We've had Alistair today who follows the transition through where the old steel joins to the new steel. And he follows that along with the drone, essentially eyes in the sky, and he keeps an eye on it, making sure that it's not jamming in rollers and causing any troubles. Traditionally, we'd have someone stationed at every pole following it and on the radio, or we'd have to stop the run for the areas that we can't get to while someone repositions and has a look. So having AJ fly along and watch that in the background saves us a lot of time, also makes it a lot safer for the crew. He also gets a really good overview of the job as a whole, because from up in the sky you get to see so much more of what's happening. And for me as a supervisor on site, he's relaying the information to me. I've just got a much clearer picture of what's happening with the crews and where everyone is and their safety on site.